This video will show you the proper guide to add networks, chains, mainnets, testnets, chains to your wallet, whether it be on MySys, Metamask, Trust Wallet, whichever wallet you use, Kiwi, etc. So that you can fulfill different tasks on mainnet, transfer your coins there, or even do testnets. So note, this is a safe way of doing things. You might not find all chains there, but you're probably going to find every popular one there. Of course, there's manual way of adding, and it will also show you how to do that, and also the automatic way of adding these networks to your wallet. Let's begin. First of all, the name of the site we're going to be using is chainlist.org. So you can type that in whichever browser you want to use. Now you can use your Metamask browser or your Trust Wallet browser if you want to add it and make it simpler. So I'm just going to be using MySys, but whichever browser that you want to use on whichever wallet, feel free to do that. So basically what you need to do is to connect your wallet to the site. So basically click on connect wallet and then connect your wallet. After connecting the wallet, as you can see, basically what you need to do is to search for the network. Basically, whichever you want to search, know that it does not contain everything, but the thing about this is that it's verified and they are going to give you the proper chains for whichever one you type in. So we did Enki. Let's just search for Metis. So if you check for Metis, it's supposed to show you. Wait, you can see Metis Andromeda, and this is it. You can confirm it if you want to, but I confirmed it, and this is the Andromeda that they added for us manually, automatically when we try to claim the token. This is what they put. So this is verified. So let's check something else. Let's check another network. So we have different chains. Let's try Core. So here it is, Core blockchain mainnet. If you wanted to add this to Metamask, click on add to Metamask, and then you would need to, of course, complete the sign-in. So you need to accept the fact that you want to add this blockchain after it loads. Just like this over here, you can see the network name, network URL, the chain ID, currency symbol, and you can approve or cancel whichever one that you'd want to. So basically, if you click on the down sign, it is going to show you all the RP server addresses. All this, although it's not important, but this is what you can use: chain ID, currency, and you can be able to upload it manually. So basically, this is how you can do it. If you want to include testnet, click on include testnet, and now you can search for different testnets. Of course, they have to be ones that are verified or popular or something that's trending normally for them to show. But basically, it has a very good amount of database for the chains. Hope you're able to learn something from it, and subscribe for more. Click on the like button. I'll see you in the next video. Till then.